running, my little pulling a gun and they hit when they trying to hit.
All right, I'm here with
Hunter Sommers.
And Blake Gerstone.
what are you guys thankful for this Thanksgiving?
I'm thankful for my OG Fortnite account.
I'm thankful for my family and friends.
All right, that's good answers. All right, I'm here with
Mr. Smith.
what are you thankful for this Thanksgiving?
I'm pretty thankful for my family and hockey.
It's pretty good. I'm here with
Morgan Tomporowski.
Morgan. What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving?
I'm thankful for my family and my relationship.
I'm here with
Darren Brooks.
and Darren. What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving?
What am I thankful for?
Yeah.
I'm thankful for my family and being on this earth.
All right, good answer. I'm here with
Diane.
and Miss Diane. What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving?
I am thankful for my family and my friends and all my favorite children, even for the ones that are not my favorite.
It's a good answer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm here with
Colin Miller.
and Colin. What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving?
My family and football.
All right, thank you. I'm here with
This is Preeb.
Miss Pre. What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving?
My kids, spending time with them over break.
All right, that's fun. Thank you.
Jump inside, jump straight to the lid. Take a